Hi, friends. Welcome back to Kiducate. Today, we're going to learn about the alphabet. Are you ready? Let's go.
A for apple. B for ball.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
C for cat.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now
D for
I
dog.
know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
E for elephant.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
F for fish.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now
G
I
for
know
giraffe.
my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
H for hat. I for ice cream. J for jellyfish.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
K for kite.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
L for lion.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
M for monkey.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
N for nest.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
O for octopus.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
P for penguin. Q for queen. R for robot. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
V for violin.
U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
W for whale.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
X for xylophone.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Y for yacht.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Z for zebra.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Wow. You did amazing. Thanks for learning the alphabet with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.